And women on the jury may help him, because I would think that his defense is going to be, listen, my guy, Chad, is the ultimate nerdy dude who wrote these religious books and would go around and talk to people. Look at him. And then one day, Lori showed up, and she was the manipulator, where maybe women can associate with that. Who knows? This is going to be, I mean, the women man thing, I don't know if it really matters anymore with juries much, but they're going to have to thread a needle if they have a prayer here, because let's face it, both of these guys were in lockstep, and 2 kids ended up dead along with someone's wife, and it's his wife is really going to make people disgusted. Really, you killed your wife for this woman, Lori Vallow. Now, was he hypnotized by Lori's beauty? Well, that's not an excuse, is it, Michael? I mean, no. This is I don't know how you thread any sort of needle with the bad fact pattern here. Is it just a matter of saving his life?
Yeah, don't get me wrong. The facts against him are not as bad as the facts were against his ex-wife. They were not as bad, because at the end of the day, they still were not his kids, right? The murder was still done by her and her own family, right? These were not his children. He did not pull the trigger. He was not even in the, I don't even know if he was in the same state or if he was not in the same town as when the murders happened, right? So the facts against him they're not great. They're bad, but they're not nearly as bad as his wife. And so that's why I think that their approach is going to be, yes, thread the needle, but threading the needle is going to include pounding Lori into the ground. They're going to pound her. They're going to eviscerate her. They're going to eviscerate any mention. It's actually comically ironic, because he's one of those doomsday prophets. Well, she's got her doomsday coming, and he's going to be the executioner.
And the other X factor is this Alex Cox. This is Lori's brother, who was the family assassin, according to the state, and for anybody who's looked into this comes to that conclusion. He was there. He's the one that everybody believes is responsible for the actual deaths of Tylee and JJ, and of Tammy. But the bodies are on Chad's back lawn. I mean, JJ and Tylee are found in Chad's on Chad's property. That is a very difficult problem for the defense.